They close. What time is it now? Ah, okay. Here you go. Alright. They will close at 4 o'clock daw. Ito yun guys. Ito yung museum. And papasok na tayo. Ito-tour ko kayo sa loob. Hi! Good afternoon. Oh, sorry.
So we're going to give you pensioner.
Yes,
I'm a senior, so one of each.
asawa ko senior daw.
It's 20.
Senior na daw.
20, no, $18. 18.
Ito yun guys, yung museum dito. Ito pa lang yung entrance guys.
$32 change.
Ito yung Ansett, Australia. Ayan. Here we go.
$32 change. You give me $2, that's 20.
Yeah.
Give me another 10. $10, and that's it. On the new one, is it?
Could be.
Richie printed.
Asawa ko guys, busy siya doon nagbabayad ng entrance. Ako naman dito guys, busy din ako sa
I'll show you again.
pagbablog.
I've been to a couple of years ago.
Ayan guys, ayan, tingnan niyo yung ang daming iba't ibang klase dito, all about Ansett.
Yeah, it's original Ansett.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is all about Ansett, Australia.
My daughter lives in town here.
Ito guys, ito may t-shirt dito. Ayan.
Yeah, she lives and works in Hamilton here now.
Ayan.
She works for the vet.
Wow. Yun na guys kung magkano siya. $28.
She said, I bought a house in town, but she's from Australia.
Guys, parang nangihinayang akong bumili nito. Kasi $28. Magkano na yan sa Pinas? 1,000 na yan guys. Sayang 1,000 piso. Ayan guys, yung mga pictures. Marami pa doon sa loob. Pero sa ngayon, dito ko muna ipapakitaan sa inyo. Ayan. Ayan.
Yes.
Okay.
It's started
guys.
here back in 1932 when he started running a bus from here to Ballarat.
Yeah.
Ito yung
He already had aeroplane in his
areas
brain,
ng Ansett,
and he had a lot of
Australia.
trouble with the railways. So he
Makikita natin sa loob kung anong meron doon.
aeroplane. So he, with the money he won, he went and bought an aeroplane.
Yeah, yeah.
That started the other one. But he won the air race in 1936.
Ayan, 30.
Yeah, right.
Won for
36.
£500 and bought the aeroplane, not that one, but the same one is in there for £1,000. And from there on, never looked back until
Grabe, ang tagal na pala nito.
a couple of smart businessmen decided to kick him off the board of directors,
Ah, yeah.
and they did.
I think I did read some of this
Mr.
sometime. Yeah, go
Murdoch
on.
and Mr. Abels.
Oh, Mr. Murdoch, eh? Oh, okay. Rupert, yeah.
And they finished up wrecking the system because they didn't know the first thing about aeroplanes or anything else.
Wasn't he selling fruit on his bus?
Yes,
Over the board? Was it over the board? South
yes,
Australia?
I'm trying to find this
Yeah,
out.
I did read that sometime prior.
Yes, he had that much trouble with the railways that he wasn't legally able to
Ayan
charge.
guys, first hangar of Ansett Airways.
So what he did was he bought a case of oranges.
Ito yung pinakaunang airways ng Ansett.
Yeah, right.
And that
Makikita natin sa loob guys.
then
Maya konti.
transport in state government was Mr. Menzies. Mr. Menzies couldn't
Alright
find
guys,
anything
sa ngayon,
constitution
dito muna tayo.
an airplane.
Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo.
And
Bye for now.
that is in today's
And
local paper.
continue to subscribe my channel, Bern Chanton. And ayan na guys. Hello everyone. Bye for now,
He
guys.
was a little boy because he was older than me.
Marami pa din sa loob. Papakita ko sa inyo.
Yes.
See ya.
No, well, became famous as a local.